Well, hey there, Joyce and Landall Restoration. My name is Gary Swick, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this? What's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds. Well, actually, I don't read minds, but oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, thanks Gary, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, hey, shoot me a message, let's chat. Or, if you just want to take this video and take the free attack plan to do yourself, hey, no harm, no foul. That works for me too. So now let me show you these 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So it's basically content, citations, and backlinks. And content is everything on your front page here. Everything that I'm going to highlight is basically your content. So it's words, pictures, that sort of thing. And looks like you got a pretty good amount of content. I would definitely recommend you get up to 1,500 to 2,500 words. And when I say pictures, you can have your pictures saved as keywords and key phrases. So if you look at your logo here, Landall Restoration logo, that's pretty good. You have at least your name in there, so you're going to be, the Google search bots will give you credit for that, right? Storm Drop Restoration Service. Hey, pretty good. So, yeah, so it looks like you got some pretty good content in here. So what you want to have is unique, authoritative content, rich with keywords and phrases that people are going to be searching for in Google. So Google will know, who you are, what you do, and where you do it. And you're going to want to make sure it contains a lot of keywords, key phrases within that content, that the searchers are going to be searching for. So next I want to talk about citations. And citations have to do with where you get found in certain sections of a Google search, right? So these are ads. These are pretty good as far as the Google guaranteed ads. They take a little bit to get, but it's definitely well worth it. I've heard that they get more quality leads instead of, like these ads right here, where these are hit or miss, right? So a lot of people just don't like ads, so they never click them. And some people have ad blocking software, so they never even see them. So citations talk about this section right here, the map section, and you want to be on there, right? You want to be on that front page. You're like, hey Gary, how can I be on that front page of the map section? Well, it has to do with citations, and the citation is basically like an online directory where business owners list the business name, the business phone number, and the address. We'll say like Yelp. You can even use Facebook, LinkedIn, Super Pages, BBB, MapQuest. There's a zillion of them out there. Local, national, international. This is the World Wide Web, right? So a citation is just basically a directory where you list your business information, and that will get you on your way to the top of the map section, right? And so you want to look at the citations that your competition has, say like Serve Pro of Tacoma, copy all of their citations, but don't stop there. You want to go above and beyond to really dominate that area. So that's what a citation is. So next we talk about backlinks, right? And so backlinks are basically, a backlink is another website that has a link to your website that people can click on, which would result in traffic coming to your website. So what I like to do is I like to use a tool called Ahrefs, which is not 100% accurate, but it's very strong and it gives you good indication of where you're sitting, right? And so you've got 14 backlinks from 4 different referring domains, giving you 2 organic keywords. You're not getting any traffic too much, with the value of 0, right? The keywords that you're getting found for: fire damage Tacoma, water restoration Tacoma, which, hey, those are pretty good keywords, but your position is, who knows what page this is. That's probably, like page 10 or page 8 or something like that. So you're definitely going to want to up your content, up your keywords, and get more backlinks, right? Referring back to you, and that's how you also get credit for more keywords. And so we look at your competition here, right? Say water damage fix. They've got 1.21 thousand backlinks from 135 referring domains. They've had up to 13,000 at one point. Giving them 627 keywords, right? And their PPC, that's pay per click. They're paying per click for one keyword or key phrase. That gives them organic traffic of 620 a month, which is value of 7.7 thousand, which is pretty good. I know that this is a pretty good niche market for people. So their pay per click is water mitigation company near me. So it's got a volume of 800, so pretty good volume. Keyword difficulty of 13, so it's definitely not a easy keyword to rank for. So yeah, people can get it blocked. So that's basically what I got for you. So content, you want to up your content, get good, authoritative, unique keywords and phrases in your content that Google will recognize when they scrub or search your website, and you'll see a good improvement as far as your ranking, as far as the Google searches. Get your citations up, you'll see yourself get higher on that map pack, and then get your backlinks. Get a lot of backlinks from authoritative, relative, similar industry websites, right? So you don't want to get, not all backlinks are created equal. Backlinks are nice to have, but like if you get a backlink from an ice cream shop that you did some work for, and they put it on their website, a backlink from an ice cream shop isn't necessarily as strong as a backlink from another restoration company, or like a restoration directory. So so content, citations, backlinks, that's what I got for you. My name is Gary Swick. Hope you had a great day, and talk to you soon. Thank you.